right now, I just did the mid pipe right here. The only leak I got is right here on the back side of the header. Right under this bolt, the bottom side of it. That's the only spot that's leaking for real. But God damn, nigga, that was only 2,500 RPM.